We're at the NDTV PGTI Pro-Am event here in Hyderabad at the Boulder Hill Golf Course, and I have with me the professional golfers playing on the PGTI circuit. Pleasure to have you. So Bikram, I want to begin with you. How excited are you for today's event, and how important do you think events like the Pro-Am are for the sport?
I am pretty excited. I think it's a really good mix of having professionals and corporate honchos and even club golfers and even budding amateurs to come together and have a fun day out here. It's nice and sunny,
Yes, nice.
and it's a good mix to have. I think it's really nice for the game for the growth of the game, I feel. And yeah, let's see where this goes.
So all the best for that, and I'm sure it's going to be a fun game. Bishop, like I asked Bikram as well, how important do you think sports like this are important, especially when you look at a collab where you have professionals playing with, corporates? I mean, there's also a lot of mentoring. You guys are going to be giving them tips. So how do you think your day is going to be?
I think it's going to be a lovely day. It's really nice to be in the sun after a long time. Being from Chandigarh, I would love to meet different kind of businessmen and etc. Playing with them. It's going to be lovely, I think.
Great. So being from Chandigarh, if I can ask you, Kushal, where are you from?
I'm from Jamshedpur, so it's almost as cold as Chandigarh, surprisingly, this year.
So lovely sunny weather here, but again, Chandigarh, Delhi, Jamshedpur, this course is a little different and challenging because of the boulders. So are you excited or nervous?
I'm excited. I'm very excited to be playing here, yeah. And
How do you think you're going to be tackling if the golf shot hits the boulder?
well, I'll hit it and come back in place, so it's okay.
So well, that's the confidence of the professionals talking. And Vasu, if I can ask you, tell us where you're from. And again, looking at golf, from Chandigarh as well. So I'm from Chandigarh as well. It's really full-on Chandigarh party happening here. Vasu, tell me a little bit about, as a sport, golf, right? Where do you think we are? I mean, it's really gone up today. But again, something like the Pro-Am here, the whole vision is to, look at it as a bigger sport overall in India, right?
I mean, golf can get bigger. I mean, like cricket, it can be bigger. And with the corporate houses coming in, for the events like these, it's going to be a great opportunity for us players as well. So, we can get more corporate houses in this game, and yeah, we can make it bigger.
So the sport can get bigger. Quickly, I'm going to ask you. So for you, it was more like would you like to? Do you think it's going to be challenging here?
In terms of the golf course?
Yes, in terms of because of the boulders and the way the landscape is compared to the other courses you've played on?
Yes, definitely. I think this course is long enough. Even if you think of putting it in play, you have to get it to a decent yardage because it's a long course in general. I've played this course last year.
So you've played it? So
Yes, I played it once or I think a couple of times, and it was actually a lot of fun. It's an interesting track, and I think we're coming to Boulder after a really, really long time. So it's nice and refreshing to see a new look to the golf course. I think they've done a really good job.
And most importantly, I think with a different set of people as well, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Vasu, if I can ask you, is it morning tee offs for you or evening? What's more fun for you?
Mornings, I would say.
And why?
Because, the weather's a bit cooler. And I don't know, I'm just a morning person, so.
Okay, Bishop, I'm going to ask you, what is it for you? Is it pro pairing or solo pairing?
I didn't get you.
Pro pairing or solo pairing? Do you like to play alone or is it more with professionals?
No, I think pro pairing is definitely better. I get someone to compete with. It's more fun to, have some competition while I'm practicing.
Lastly, walk the green or the cart? What do you prefer?
Walk. Yeah, but if it gets too hot, I'm the first one to ask for a cart. So
Chalo, let's see what the weather is here. Well, wishing you all the very best. Looking for a fun game today at the Boulder Course. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Thank you.